To eat for breakfast to lose weight? The importance of breakfast for a healthy living cannot be overemphasized. Maybe you don't know it, but individuals who begin their day with a healthy breakfast are able to stick to their weight loss goals more than those who don't. In this video, I'll give you 8 healthy breakfast ideas to start your day to lose weight. Oatmeal with fruit. Oats contain a lot of minerals, vitamins, fiber, and some proteins. You can create a healthy breakfast by mixing fruit and raw nuts or seeds together. If you suspect you may not have time in the morning for breakfast, then try overnight oats, which can be prepared in a jar the previous night and then grabbed when going out. Whole grain toast. Spread some almond butter on bread and add a few slices of fruit such as strawberries or bananas to create a hearty breakfast. This shouldn't take more than a few minutes, even if you're in a hurry. Vegetable omelet. Nothing like a delicious veggie omelet in the morning. Vegetables are one of the main contributors of healthy carbohydrates, plus the eggs will give you clean protein that will keep you energized the entire day. You can use any combination of vegetables as it appeals to you. Green smoothies. If you want just the perfect breakfast for a crazy morning, then the green smoothie is what you need. You can quickly whip up one serving in a to-go blender cup. Start with frozen berries or bananas, add a chunk of spinach or kale leaves, pour in some almond milk thereafter, and then in a blender. Green tea. There are many benefits of taking green tea in the morning. For starters, just like water, it helps in keeping the body hydrated. It also has some weight loss and heart protective benefits. More still, one study has it that green tea can speed the fat burning rate of the body. Spread peanut butter on slices of apple. Apple contains quercetin that helps in the prevention of certain types of cancer and heart diseases. Peanut butter, on the other hand, contains fat and protein. Thus, their combination is a good of the day anytime. Unsweetened orange juice. Drinking 3 cups of unsweetened orange juice every morning will boost your immune system and improve your cholesterol levels as a result of their vitamin C content. Try a couple of oranges if drinking 3 cups is too much for you. Yogurt parfait. Forget all about those sugary parfaits from McDonald's and Starbucks and start making your own parfait at home. You can begin with simple Greek yogurt. Just cut up some of your favorite fruits, add some nuts, cooked quinoa, and start layering. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it keeps you energized for the day's activities. And when you incorporate any of these easy breakfast ideas, you'll feel healthier. Plus, it will help you achieve your weight loss plan faster.